Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate, one of the designers and editors here at Sallie Tomato, and it is time for a quick gifting win. Welcome to day 14 of our 2025 Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box. Day 14. Jingle your way to this low-sew, easy-to-make item. Make a bunch for gifts to give to your favorite book lovers. Today's reveal is a stylish and functional accessory that's quick to make. Here we have the corner page marker free pattern designed by Sallie Tomato sewist Jennifer Renke. Included with the pattern are 3 coordinating 6" by 6" fabric squares of cork prints, the lumberjack plaid, the park patches, and the designer plaid. These corner bookmarks are a perfect marking for your pages while adding a handmade touch to your reading. They're simple, beginner-friendly, and they make excellent gifts. You can customize these corner page markers by adding Sallie Tomato metal corners or rivets to add some additional interesting elements. We look forward to seeing how you create a thoughtful, functional project with charm and style. I hope today's item brings you a quick sewing highlight. You can still purchase this year's Advent box if there are any left in stock on our website. If we are sold out, we've added a link below for you to join our newsletter group so you'll be notified when the 2026 Advent box releases. Please share and show off your photos of your completed projects. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see all that you've created. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great making day.